MSc फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर एग्जामिनेशन जनवरी 25। फिजिक्स पेपर थर्ड क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स। मैक्सिमम मार्क्स 40। सेक्शन ए शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन। यूनिट फर्स्ट प्रूव दैट x px is equal to iota lambda or find the eigenvalue and eigenvector of the matrix 1 2 3 4. Unit second question 2 find x for sin is equal to under root 2y a sin pi x upon a minus a by 2 less than x less than a by 2 or normalized the wave function sin is equal to a sin pi x upon a minus a by 2 less than x less than a by 2. Unit third find out the solution of Schrodinger wave equation for potential step or what is the concept of tunneling. Unit 4 solve the communication relation L square Lz or solve the communication relation Lx Ly. Unit 5 if phi is equal to 2 iota minus iota 2 minus 3 iota n bra and kate is equal to minus 3 iota 2 plus iota 4, then find brackets phi or find bra and kate's phi sign for above matrix. Section B long answer type question. Unit first check the set of the vector are linearly independent of or not. A is equal to 1 minus 2 3, B is equal to minus 4 1 4 7, C is equal to 0 10 11, D is equal to 14 3 minus 4 or consider a matrix operator A and sign less greater than n less than phi where a is equal to 5 3 plus 2 iota 3 iota minus I 3 I 8 1 minus I 1 4 sin is equal to minus 1 plus I 3 2 plus 3 I greater than phi is equal to 6 I 5. Calculate minus less than phi greater than a sin and phi sin. Unit 2 describe the basic postulate of quantum mechanics or explain the proof the Ehrenfest theorem. Unit 3 prove that r plus t is equal to 1 for potential barrier where r is equal to coefficient reflection, t is equal to coefficient of transmission and potential of given s. Vx is equal to 0, x less than 0, v not 0 less than equal than x less than equal than a, 0 x greater than a. For one dimensional harmonic oscillator prove that a cap a plus is equal to 1. Unit 4 for j is equal to 1 find the matrix representation of the operator j square and jz or find eigenvalue and eigenvector of Pauli's spin matrix. Unit 5 calculate 1 by r for ground state of hydrogen atom or consider a hydrogen atom whose state time t is equal to 0 is given by साइन आर 0 इज इक्वल टू 1/√2 फाइव 3 0 0 आर वेक्टर आर प्लस 1/√3 फाइव 3 1 1 आर प्लस 1/√6 फाइव 3 2 2 आर